Welcome to Liffy Swimming Adventures. Today, we're going on a Christmas tour.
Ooh. Let's see here. What kind of tree is this? This is a big tree. Look at that. And it's spiky?
Yeah.
Ooh, check out the tree. Oh, what's at the bottom of the tree? Come on. You're taking everybody on a tour, so show them. Come on. What's at the bottom of the tree?
Train.
It's a Christmas tree train. It looks like it's missing something. The tracks are there, but where's the village? Oh, we still have to put the village together. You gonna light it up? Press the button to light it up. Ooh, so when it's all lit up, it's gonna be a nice village under the tree. You gonna show them some other rooms?
Yeah.
Where are we gonna go?
Play.
We're gonna go to the playroom, okay. Oh, what do we have here?
Frosty the Snowman.
You got the Frosty the Snowman tree? Ooh, let's see what some type of decorations are on here. Oh, there's a lantern right here.
Yeah. And some giant lollipops.
Some lollipops, gumdrops and stuff.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, I see an elephant hiding. There it goes. Look how pretty the elephant is. You see anything else that's pretty?
Oh yeah, this bow.
Look at the bow. Oh, but look at the ice cream.
There's
And
more.
there's a butterfly.
Oh, don't forget this
Oh.
one. There's another one.
There's a helicopter. Do you see that?
No, that's a plane.
I'm sorry, you're right. That's an airplane. Cool.
And look, another ice cream.
And another ice cream.
Oh.
Let's show some more of the house. Come on. Where are we going now?
The living room.
This is the living room. You mean the dining room?
Yeah.
Oh, is this right? Okay, let's go to the dining room. Oh, what do we have over here?
Nutcracker.
Oh, there are some nutcrackers. And that's an old school jukebox that plays music. Let's see what it's gonna play.
Glad tidings we bring to you and your kin. Glad tidings for Christmas and a happy new year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some right here. Glad tidings we bring to you and your kin. Glad tidings for Christmas and a happy new year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Okay, what else do we have over here? Oh, look at that. There's a snowman and there's Snoopy.
Yeah.
What do?
They dance.
Let's make them dance.
Decorations are up. We are ready to go. The candles and plate in the snow. Wrapped all the gifts to make them look pretty quick.
Libby,
Let's take a
selfie! Selfie! You gonna take a selfie? Let's take a selfie.
Let me take a selfie. Stockings are hung on the chimney with care. Got the cookies and the presents to share. Getting close to midnight, feeling kind of tasty. Quick. Let me take a selfie.
Oh, his camera lights up too.
Let me take a selfie.
Oh, he took a picture of me. He's a cute Mr. Snowman. And so let's see what this guy does. Peanut. This is Snoopy. Let's see. Can Mommy make him go? Oh, he spins. He is adorable. You want to spin like Snoopy?
That's not all. There's something under it that's making them spin.
Oh. All right, let's continue our tour. Where are we going now? We're
The
going to the
solarium.
kitchen. The solarium. Okay. Oh, this is the nice, pretty tree that's red with a big old bow.
And don't forget the multicolor.
The multicolored lights, yes. It's very beautiful.
Don't forget these. Don't forget those.
Little cherries
This one.
and the little wreaths. There's wreaths up on the windows.
Okay.
Ooh, let's see here. We got these little toppers here too.
Don't forget.
They're
Those
all
are
different
Christmas
colors. Yeah, they're cute. Where else are we going? Wait for me. We are heading to the family room. Ooh, look at here. This is pretty. And look at the fireplaces on. There's another tree out in the hall. Let's go in the family room.
And don't forget that.
Ooh, look, there's some more nutcrackers over here in a little tree topper, a little table topper.
No, that's a snowman.
A snowman.
And it looks like a Christmas tree.
And look at the nutcracker.
Don't forget over here.
Let's not forget about the big tree in here.
It's actually not.
Fireplace. Ooh, that looks very cozy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, we're not finished, right? Are we gonna take them upstairs? Okay, girl, let's go upstairs. We are heading upstairs. And there's more tree here at the top of the stairs. Ooh, let's see how it looks from the top of the stairs. Ooh, that's beautiful. Let's look on the other side.
I hope you enjoyed our tour. Bye, everybody.
Hey, thanks for watching. Click on Libby to subscribe to our channel. Already subscribed? Click over here to see more of our videos.